Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and I think I'm going to be making quite a topical video today because everybody's looking at the crypto market and it is crumbling. Bitcoin has gone from something like $62,000 right down to $30,000, a drop of 50% from its high. So a lot is happening in the market. A lot of other coins have lost a lot more than Bitcoin. So people are saying, what should we do? Now, in a previous video this week, I spoke about gold and how well it was performing on our trading robots. And I made the point of, if you invested in gold and you were still trading it, you would have made 73% return over a 5-year period. Our trading robots show a potential of making 600% return in 1 year trading gold. The robots don't worry about whether it's going up or down. It trades the uptrends and it trades the downtrends, and therefore it multiplies the gains that are being made. So we've now shifted our attention from gold to crypto, and the results have been absolutely fantastic. And as you can see on the screen, you can look at the path Bitcoin has taken over the last year. It basically was asleep right until round about October last year, and then it started going up nicely, and then it shot up at one stage, consolidated, shot up again, consolidated, shot up, and is now in a downward trend, which is shot down. But if you look at the size of that trend there, as a percentage of that, it is not much different to the size of that shoot up over there and that shoot up over there relative to the price at that time. So what we're saying is everybody's panicking because of this movement, and these movements are normal for Bitcoin, just that it's going in the wrong way for a lot of people. But the beauty is that some of our EAs, not all of them, have the ability to create absolutely smooth equity charts trading this choppy market that goes up and down the whole time. Isn't that fantastic? So by smooth equity charts, we mean there's very small drawdowns as the trading goes on, and that makes the robot settings more reliable and more robust. And because they're more reliable and more robust, you can actually trade more aggressively. In other words, increase your position sizing in that kind of those kind of conditions, and even switch to a percentage of equity base. Okay, so now to just give you a sneak peek, and this is just a sample of some of the settings that we're getting, and there are more rolling in as we speak. The settings are coming in, and we might roll this out to Ethereum and a few other investment opportunities. But here we're looking at Bitcoin at first, and we're only looking at two of our EAs, and it shows you that the returns are actually better than if you bought the Bitcoin and just hang on to it. So there is an opportunity here to improve your returns. And look at this, we are using a leverage of 2. That's almost like owning the Bitcoin. So and the other thing is, because of the high success rate that is obtained in the robot trading, you can increase your lot sizing. So let's say you just doubled your lot sizing, which is very conservative. You could double this income or triple this income depending on your approach. If you're using equity, percentage of equity, you could certainly do extremely well. So because these returns aren't that, maybe not as high as you'd like them to be, it's only because we've used very conservative optimization methods. But if you look at the statistics, there are some that are achieving 99% success rates, really fantastic, very nice returns, others. And then if you look at the average loss compared to the average gain, which is a nice one, you look at this one, $34 gain compared to a $7 loss, $280 gain compared to a $75 loss. And so that is where these robots are so clever. They cut their losses quickly and they stay in the trend when there's a positive trend. But now I do have to give this warning, and I'm going to read this warning out. It's very important that you understand this. When it comes to crypto, metals, and index trading, most brokers have different margins, different pip values, different trading times, minimum lot sizing, and a whole lot of other different things, which means that almost every broker that you look at, if you want to trade crypto or metals or indexes, you've got to investigate and find out exactly what the specifications are for their instruments. So you have to adapt your trading approach and settings for your particular broker. Therefore, these advanced instruments are mainly for experienced traders who know how to adapt their trading robots to their particular broker. Very important, you need to know what's going on. So the values shown in this video are only shown as the potential, or to show the robustness of our robots. They in no way infer that you will experience the same results by just blindly plugging in the settings that resulted in these results. Your results are mainly based on your experience and expertise at trading robots. Very important. Please, if you need to read this warning over and over again, because a lot of people think they can just buy a robot, plug it in, and make a fortune. Right, so if you are interested in any of our robots, here are our set and forget EAs on our website at expertforex.com, and the settings that I've just shown you are on our paid forum. It's a $24 a month forum, and it is benefit 13, so there are huge amounts of benefits to being a member of this forum. There's free indicators and a whole lot of stuff that goes with the membership here, and especially discounts. Really, the best discounts you could ever get for our robots are on this particular forum. So you just go down, if you're already a member, you just go down to number 13, click on premium robot settings, and you will see these crypto settings. And as we are adding to them on an hourly basis, so we're continuously adding new settings for you to look at. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you understand that one can make profits in a rising market as well as in a falling market, because the robots do not distinguish between an uptrend and a downtrend. They trade them identically. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.